guys, today we're going to be making shaving cream slime with just shaving cream. Let's get to it. So here's what you need. You need shaving cream and a tub and a freezer. So all you have to do is put shaving cream in the tub.
Mix it up.
Oh yeah. And then pop it in the freezer. Oh no. No, pause it.
15 minutes later.
Okay, when we're getting it out, it looks like this. It's kind of sticky though. Let's see if it's pokey. It's so much fun to play with. Ah!
That's how you make shaving cream slime.
With nothing. It's a one ingredient slime.